Hi guys, this is Cypress Real Tech Reviews. Well, I've got to say Samsung's done it again. It's only been, what, a month, if that, and they're releasing the 3.1 One UI update for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Basically, it shows you, I'm showing you here what Samsung's newsroom is saying on their website. You've got new multitasking features. It says here, simplifying your everyday interactions. The latest update makes routine interactions on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 easier and faster, it says. You'll be able to, from the notification panel, drag the application into a split screen, which is absolutely amazing. I've been trying to do that since day one of buying this phone. And of course with 3.1 you'll have the new editing software for your gallery, basically removing objects from pictures that you've just taken. Notifications now in the quick panel are now categorized. We'll see how that looks. It says here, natural and comfortable visual experiences. I've got to say, I do like the new aesthetic of the One UI 3, and One UI 3.1 looks even better. And it looks like they're bringing in the new volume controls from the Sound Assistant application in Good Luck 2021. This was Cypress Real Tech Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.